It's Saturday night. Let's have a steak. Hey YouTube, Mike with Bauer's Backyard. I have a different video today. One of my favorite vloggers in the barbecue business, Phil and Florence, passed away last week. I know a lot of YouTube cookers are doing a tribute video for Phil. This video that I'm about to do is a tribute to the first Phil and Florence video that I saw, cooking on his Gabby's Grill. Hope you guys like it. Phil, this is for you, bud. I even busted out the old Crocs in honor of Phil. All right, in Phil's video, I couldn't make out what marinade he said he used, so I'm gonna use this peppercorn and garlic marinade for mine. All right, these steaks have been marinating for about 30 minutes to an hour now. I've lost track of time, but we're gonna go simple on this. A little SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. I'm not doing too much because that marinade does have a lot of garlic and pepper in it. We're not big on salt in my family, so I'm gonna do too much salt. And pepper. Let's get these on the grill. Steaks going on. We have a sirloin for the wife. Ribeye for myself. So here's Phil's setup. He always liked to use this Gabby's Grill on a Weber Smoky Mountain. This is my first time doing it. So far I like it. Get more airflow through those big 3 vents than you would on a Weber kettle. So I'm digging this so far. Thanks for the tip, Phil. So I chose this video to do because one is one of the first videos I ever saw of Phil. It's one of the videos that helped convince me to buy the Gabby's Grill. And 2, it's just funny. His little French chef at the end of the video, and I'll put a link of that here in the description, is hilarious. Janet played along quite nicely with that. I don't think I'll be able to get my wife to do that. I don't think I'll be getting a reward, but we'll see. I want to thank Cooking with CJ for putting this together. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone's videos. All right, let's get back to cooking. Time for a flip. Probing about 111. Still got a little ways to go on the sirloin. 119 on this end. Look at that. Ribeye. Ribeye is 135. I'm going to pull that one right now. So that Thermopin was reading 135. If you see my recent videos, you know I've been having a tough time with that thing. In fact, my last video I went on a rant about my Thermopin just not being very good. And the first comment I got was from Phil saying, change the battery. You know, he was calm, polite, trying to calm me down from my rant. I don't think he liked the negativity. That's what I love the most about Phil. He was such a positive guy. And I'm gonna try to be more positive in my videos because of that. So let's hope that Thermopin works. If not, I'll change the batteries like Mr. Phil said to. See you in a bit. Steaks off the grill, they look amazing. I love that Gabby's grill. Big thanks to Phil's videos for convincing me to buy one. For the next scene, I'll be playing the parts of both Piff and Jiff. Enjoy. Ooh, what a beautiful plate. But you have no meat. Where is the meat? There's the meat. All right, I'm done acting for now. Can't do the man justice, but that steak turned out perfect, medium rare. I know my Thermopin worked because of Phil. Let's give it a taste. When Phil liked something, that hat went sideways like that. I want to miss that, man. Rest in peace, Phil. You have a great day. Phil and Florence, bye.